You've created two ever-expanding clone armies, one of friendly circles that help you win points, and one of evil circles that make you lose points. Now we need to add the code that tells you whether you've won or lost the game. We are going to be basically working on the player block, so make sure your player sprite is clicked. What we're going to find is underneath controls, we need an if-then block. So I'm going to go grab an if-then. And what we're going to do is we're going to check your score. The player checks the score. If the score is greater than 20, you win. And a thought bubble will appear saying victory. If you score less than 20 or your score is minus 20, you will be defeated. So let's see what we're adding. So our if then block is going to go inside the forever because this is going to keep going on and on and on. So let's see how we build the score. So we need to go to our variable because what we're going to say is if the score is greater than 20. So we need the operators. We use operators for the point of comparison. So I need a greater than. So notice it is the right shape and fits inside the if then. So I'm saying if, and I go to my variables, the score, and notice it's a circle here. White outline in the circle, the score fits in. If the score is greater than, and I can change the variable to 20, think victory. That's going to make the thought bubble appear. And that's under looks. Here is think. Now, you can say and change it to something else. Sorry, I'm going to not pick the one that has a time limit. So you could say think victory or you won, something appropriate to let the player know they won the game. Then we're going to stop the script. So I will go to control and I'll go all the way down to find the stop. And I will put it under there, the script. So basically it means the game is going to stop. This whole script is going to stop happening. Now, we need something of what happens if we lose. So I need another if control inside my forever again. But this time it's going to be the opposite. I want my operator, and if I want my score to be less than, this is my losing score. So I'm going to go to my variables, find the variable score. Remember, white outline works. And then it's if my score is less than minus 20, I'm going to lose. So I'm going to the thought bubble. And I'm going to type in defeat. Or you could say you lose or something that is appropriate. And then once again, the game ends. So we have to stop the script. So under control, stopping is controlling something. I'm hoping that after working with these different games, you're noticing some of the patterns when we are creating our different algorithms. Earlier, we saw how you can use the if-then blocks to create true or false statements, like in Star Hunter. If something happens, the fairy dust does. We use the if-then block and the operators in Circle Wars as well. Run the game. Let's see what happens. Remember, you just want to touch green. So here I go. I want to avoid the red. Oops. The green gives me points. The red takes them away. So my game is working. My score. I need more greens. Now, it's kind of hard. You play it. Oh, see, there it is, defeat. And I stop moving. So I'm a big loser. There you go.